birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You're 10 years old now. Allah. Oh, you're 10 years old now. Hi. What do you want to do today?
Play.
Huh? Play what? You want to play what?
Together.
Play together? That's what you want to do today?
Play tag Legos.
Play your Legos?
Mm.
That's what you want to do?
Mm.
You don't want to go out
Mm.
and do something?
Later, anak.
Later na? You're gonna party tonight. Aki boy, you wanna sing happy birthday too? Hey. Hey. Hey, stretching. 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 Zane's birthday today.
Yep.
How old are you?
I am 10.
We are going to get his haircut. He requested that yesterday. And what do you want to do today?
Buy and haircut.
Huh?
Buy some stuff and haircut.
Oh, okay. So we'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.
How do they get there, Mom?
I don't know.
Flying?
Yeah,
And they're gonna fall?
maybe.
Traffic injuries. Ma, if I go there,
Yeah.
look, if I go
I don't like
there,
it when it's like my face is like.
Ma,
Oh,
if I go there, like the cup over there, I'll
Yeah.
fall.
yeah,
Oh
yeah.
my god, I'm fear. My fear is cringing me out.
All right, Zane. Brian got surprised. Over here. Do you know what that is?
What is it? Tickets?
Yeah, for what?
Minecraft movie?
Is it?
Yeah. Minecraft movie.
Yeah, that's a ticket. What do you say?
Thank you, Brian.
Yeah, I saw that. He saw the screen. Where are you going? Can watch it.
The movie is not available right now. We're gonna wait like 20 minutes.
Have to wait pa.
It shows at 2 o'clock.
You excited? Mayayay ka. Finally. Huh?
They don't have a movie poster.
Yeah. Alright.
Hello guys, it's my birthday today and we got the ticket from the Minecraft movie.
Yep.
Are you gonna
And
vlog in the Minecraft movie?
No, we can't. If we do, then we get in trouble. And
then
we met Terry, Brian's friend.
Gary?
Terry.
Oh, I thought it was Gary.
Okay. You want me to hold it?
Sure. Whoa. I just want to get them these.
What?
How many minutes na, Mama?
I don't know. Ask Brian.
Yeah, if you ever down there, you shoot me a text.
I'm
No, you can't wait anymore?
Yes.
You're so excited?
Yeah, I just want to say.
I thought you're not excited about Minecraft.
I like Minecraft. I play them all the time. Ah. I don't know, Mama. Nahugo all day. Nahugo.
Just ask.
Ask. Yeah. Alright. Oh my god. Alright, come on. Ate's over here.
Alright, you gotta pick one card or pick one pack. That one?
You sure?
Yes.
You don't want to pick? That's your lucky cards?
Yes.
All right.
Gonna challenge Brian.
Alright, pick. Let's go.
When we get home?
Yes.
We get home na lang. You want to put it in my bag so that you don't lose it?
Yeah.
Alright, here.
I feel like I want to open it now. I was gonna challenge Brian.
After you watch movie?
Yeah. And we go home.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Open it.
play. Yeah. I'm gonna open it and play Pokemon.
Okay. Just here. Stopping by because my husband wants to play Pokemon. I don't know whose house is this, but we collect Pokemon here now and then. I'm just supporting wife for today's video.
VIP.
What?
Ice
got-
tea.
So cool, Zane, you got free popcorn.
Oh, hold it strong.
Yay, thank you.
Yum yum. Yum.
Let me hold that for you.
That was sick. Welcome to the overworld.
Neither.
Love it.
Is it worth it?
Yep.
You happy about your birthday?
Yeah. Best birthday ever.
Really?
Possibly villager don't talk in Minecraft. Now that
Well, because he's outside world.
overworld world na.
Overworld.
Yeah, this is our overworld. Wi-Fi tool.
To change the clothing.
Yeah. This is what you get, Nethers. The wither. Get more piglins. Need more piglins.
Piglins or piglets?
Piglins.
Don't have a party on his birthday today because we are going to do it in our new house, and also because he doesn't have any friends here, like at all. Don't have any playmates, so we can't invite anyone. So yeah, so excited for
You're
that.
so bad at that.
I know. I don't do sit down videos. Anyway, we are gonna gather all his friends, so it's gonna be a great party. Not today, but later.
You're so
Say it,
bad.
babe.
You're so bad at that.
Say it.
You want to
Explain.
vlog and drive at the same time?
You're not looking at the camera. You're not holding the camera.
We're scheduling Zane's birthday party at a later date because here he doesn't have any friends or family or anything. And once we get to our new location, we'll have a bunch of people to enjoy the party with him. So we'll have a better party when we get where we're going.
Yay.
See? It's not that hard.
Very hard. I don't like talking to the camera yet, but I'll get better. Happy, Zane?
Yes, thanks. I'm gonna open this
You gotta show them what it is.
Pokemon card, and I'll open this in 3, 2, 1, go. God,
You gotta show them what the cards are.
Did you even look? How can you see it? You're
I
surprising
know,
the people and you don't even know what's in there.
they're Varum. I don't know this one. Varum, Magikarp, Mega Knight.
Oh, you got the Shining Splendid.
Rock helmet. What's this?
Oh, it's not shimmering.
Flight. Pioneers. I don't know how to say it.
Wow, you got a full art. Wow.
Wow.
Oh, I think it is. I don't know. It's I don't know.
It's shimmering.
Yeah, you got a full art, Zane. Cool.
I want to get
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 of them, because you're 10 years old. One by one, poke it. Deeper.
Deeper. Minecraft. Alex. Steve. I don't know.
Pig.
Dennis.
Pink. Dennis.
Creeper.
Garbage man.
Creeper.
And the pink sheep.
And
Piglins.
alrighty.
Alright.
Here.
I hate piglins.
Okay, ready? Go sit. Sa inyo haday pakajian ng na mag-birthday. Oh, that's so weird.
Huh?
In on the mountain, like if you're a birthday celebrant, they're going to pray. Like a bunch of people gonna pray, bringing the Mama Mary, bringing Jesus Christ figure to be thankful.
Alright, you ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jesus. Happy birthday to you.
You gotta make a wish. Only one wish, not two wishes.
Done? Yay!
Oh,
Yeah!
oh.
Yeah! Yay!
I look like
Yeah.
a machine gun.
Alright, you want some cake?
Daga na mag-wish.
Kalibukan man. Want some cake?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hiya!
Uy! Wait, pause it. Are you happy with your birthday?
Yes.
Well, it's not. We don't have party right now, but we're gonna have party, right? When we get there. You're so excited. What are you most excited?
I'm the most excited.
Yeah, but what makes you excited?
To see Sai Sai.